Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated food steamers. A well-balanced diet rich in vegetables is essential, and it's surprisingly easy to achieve with the right tools. The greatest food steamer can steam cook your food flawlessly without any help or assistance. In addition, there aren't just for vegetables. You can cook meat, fish, rice, dumplings, or potatoes all at once using tiered food steamers, so you'll spend less time fuzzing over the stovetop and more time relaxing. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated food steamers available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the food steamers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first food steamer in our list is the Bella Food Steamer. This food steamer includes a cooking capacity of 7.4 quarts and 2 separate steaming containers, so you can cook a full meal with sides with just one switch. It offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles, and juicers. For its size, it measures 11.61 by 8.94 by 11.73 inches and weighs 4.59 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bella Food Steamer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: auto shutoff feature and boil dry protection. This food steamer features an auto shutoff feature and boils dry protection for ultimate safety. 2-basket cooking system. For those of us with unique dietary needs, the 2-basket cooking system allows you to separate vegetables and meats, allowing you to create many dishes at once. Water reservoir view window. It has a water reservoir view window, so you can always see how much water you have left to do the job. Guest-free and hassle-free streaming guide chart. You can expect ideal steaming results every time with a food steamer's guest-free and hassle-free steaming guide chart. 2-tier design. It boasts a 2-tier design that allows you to cook many foods at once, making meal preparation quick and easy. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have a digital timer. The second food steamer on our list is the Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. This powerful steam system allows food to cook quickly and evenly by delivering steam from the top down. The steamer's 1-liter water tank effortlessly lifts off the fill, and the 5-liter glass cooking pot is large enough for family-sized portions of veggies, fish, chicken, rice, and more. As for the size, this food steamer measures 13.74 by 13.23 by 9.37 inches and weighs 15.75 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: stainless steel insert tray. The food steamer comes with a stainless steel insert tray that can be flipped to fit different types of food. Indicator icon and an alert. When the water runs out, an indicator icon and an alert will notify you. 60-minute timer and a pause button. This food steamer contains a 60-minute timer and a pause button so that you can check on your food in the middle of the cooking process. Reheat setting. If your meal has been sitting, the reheat setting will bring it back to serving temperature. Recipe booklet. It comes with a recipe booklet that's very useful for individuals who are new to steaming. The booklet includes both recipes and general cooking tips for common foods like vegetables and poultry. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it only comes with 1 steamer basket. Third food steamer on our list is the Cuisine food steamer. With this Cuisine stainless steel 2-tier electric steamer, you can enjoy healthful, vitamin-rich dishes right on your counter. It has 2 removable stainless steel trays that give you plenty of room to cook all your favorite dishes and vegetables, including fish, poultry, broccoli, and more. For the size, it measures 13 by 14.5 by 18 inches and weighs 8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisine food steamer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: heating element. The heating element is placed under stainless steel reservoir for safety and will not come in contact with water or other liquids. The water reservoir has low and max water levels inside that serves as a guide to make sure you wouldn't have to worry about adding too little or too much water. Keep warm mode. The food steamer will notify you when the cooking procedure is complete and will immediately switch to keep warm mode. Display timer. It has a display timer that'll count up until it reaches 60 minutes. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the base plate cannot be removed. The fourth food steamer on our list is the Aroma Housewares food steamer. This food steamer has a 2-tier stackable design that provides you with a simple and convenient way to quickly make delicious steamed meals by just turning a dial. It allows you to start steaming in less than 60 seconds. Simply fill it with water, turn the dial, and you're done. As for its size, it measures 11.5 by 9.75 by 11.13 inches and weighs 3.15 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Aroma Housewares Food Steamer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Attractive stainless steel base. The attractive stainless steel base of the steamer is both durable and offers a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Small window. It has a small window so you can check the water level at any moment. Automatic shut-off feature. You don't have to worry about turning it off because it turns off automatically when the water runs out or when the timer ends. Easy to clean. Once the steaming is complete, the trays can be quickly disassembled and cleaned in the dishwasher, eliminating the need for time-consuming cleanup. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the plastic parts that sit on the stainless steel base are a bit tricky to get in position. The 5th food steamer in our list is a Secura stainless food steamer. This food steamer comes with a steamer basket that can be used with an electric food steamer to boost the amount of steam available. Each pot is made of stainless steel and features a cool-to-the-touch handle. As for the size, it measures 14.75 by 12.25 by 12.25 inches and weighs 6.54 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Secura stainless food steamer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. 2-tiered flexible stacks. The 2-tiered flexible stacks allow different types of food to be cooked at the same time, yet it maintains nutrients and vitamins better than traditional cooking methods. Powerful 800-watt steam system. It contains an 800-watt steam system that distributes steam from top down, allowing food to cook quickly and evenly. Delay start feature. This food steamer features a delay start feature, which means it'll start steaming at the time you choose. Auto shut-off feature. It features an auto shut-off feature, which means the steamer will turn off when the cycle is over or the water tank is empty. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's not allowed to rinse the steamer with water to avoid leakage and malfunction. The 6th food steamer in our list is the Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic food steamer. This food steamer has a 9.5 quart capacity and can steam vegetables, baby food, shellfish, and eggs. You can use 1, 2, or all 3 cooking tiers at the same time. You can also customize the stacking to your specific cooking needs, whether you're preparing for one or many people. For its size, it measures 11 by 11 by 10 inches and weighs 4.84 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Elite Gourmet Maxi-Matic food steamer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Powerful 800-watt heating system. It has a powerful 800-watt heating system, so the quick steam startup will eliminate the need for several cooking pots and pans, cut cooking time, and keep food nutrients for healthy meals. 1 quart BPA-free steamer bowl. The food steamer comes with a 1 quart BPA-free steamer bowl. It can be used to steam fluffy rice and other meals simultaneously in the food steamer. Convenient timer with an indicator bell. It has a convenient timer with an indicator bell that can set up to 60 minutes of cooking time. Dishwasher safe. All BPA-free steaming trays and basket are stain-resistant and dishwasher safe. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't include a basket. The 7th food steamer in our list is the BUYDEEM electric food steamer. This multifunctional food steamer includes a steamer, stew pot, yogurt machine, sterilizer, thawing machine, and baby food supplement. It produces steam without releasing air or spraying water in less than a minute. It can also maintain food's nutrition and freshness while assuring cooking speed. For the size, it measures 21.7 by 12.8 by 15.5 inches and weighs 13.47 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BUYDEEM electric food steamer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Extra wide steam area design. The extra wide steam area design makes it easier to use the steamer tray and stew pot together. 2 durable glass stew pots and a BPA-free stand. It comes with 2 durable glass stew pots and a BPA-free stand, allowing you to stew and eat a variety of foods such as rice, bird's nest, and more. Extra large visible water window. The food steamer includes an extra large visible water window, so there's no need to remove the reservoir. Simply look through the glass to see how much water is left. One-touch cooking and smart control. There's no need to stand over a stove and worry about your meals with one-touch cooking and smart control. Powerful steam system and a special stainless steel steamer tray. It has a powerful steam system and a stainless steel steamer tray that circulates steam from top to bottom and surrounds the food for fast cooking. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's quite small to cook a full chicken. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated food steamers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next food steamer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.